Discover the power of the Ultimate Cold Plunge Deluxe Bundle. Whether you're a couple ready to plunge together or someone who needs extra space, this bundle has you covered. It's part of our exclusive 3-part Ultimate Cold Plunge system, designed to chill, clean, and plunge with ultimate flexibility and peace of mind. Powered by Panasonic, you can choose between a 1.5 or 2 horsepower chiller that's built to last for years. Pair it with your choice of a UV or ozone filtration unit to keep your water clean and clear for every plunge. The separate chiller and filtration system are part of the Ultimate Cold Plunge's unique design, giving you peace of mind that your system will last plunge after plunge. From small spaces to large home gyms, the durable tub is easy to assemble and designed to stand the test of time. With 0 returned bundles, a 100% satisfaction guarantee, and a US-based customer service team ready to help, you get the quality and care that RevX is known for.